run-on sentences. Students had a lot of these in your brochures. Really quick, I know, Katie, what was run-on sentence? Will you remind us?
When a sentence keeps going on and on, you just don't put any periods, and you have a lot of ands.
Yeah, and sometimes you just keep saying in, but some of us on our brochures just didn't put in, I think we forgot periods, I don't know. Because it didn't make sense, you just kept going and going and going without saying and. So we're going to talk about them a little bit. When we talk a lot different than we write, right?
Yeah.
We say, or we use pauses when we talk. So if I were to talk about my dog, let's say, I have a dog, her name is Snickers. She's 2 years old, so she's still a puppy. How many periods would that have?
Like only
Three, right? Because I paused 3 times. I can just say, I have a dog, her name is Snickers, and not put any periods. Do you guys understand that? It's not a whole sentence. Let's see. So we have our pauses. When we write our pauses, we put commas and periods. We use shorter sentences than when we talk. Okay? So let's look at this sentence. So I went to the amusement park and I rode roller coasters, but they were too fast and I thought I should get off and go home. I want you guys to use your whiteboards and rewrite that correctly without any run-ons. So use periods, use commas. You can delete some words if you think.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. Don't worry about spelling amusement. You can just kind of guess.
Could you take off a word and,
If you think that a word doesn't need to be there, you can get rid of it.
or, well, could you put like a word on?
Add a word
On? Yeah.
if you think you need to.
The roller coaster I rode went too fast for me. Can I do that?
You can change it as long as you don't have any run-ons. Try to stick to it as much as possible though. But if you want to do that, that's fine. One more minute. All right. Go ahead and put your lids on your markers. It's okay if you're not completely done. Who wants to go up there and cross off or add a period or whatever, one correction? Paul, you want to go? What's one thing we can change to get rid of some run-ons? Good. So if we add a period after park, what do we need to do next? Hannah? Good. What's another thing? Nick, you want to go? Paul? Good. He saw the word but and knew that there needed to be a comma. And maybe what's something else we can do? Good. So if you add a period, what do we need to do with and? Morgan? Forgot? Gonna help her?
Maybe because, like, that's not a start of a sentence.
Yeah, you don't really need it. You could have it, but it just doesn't sound as good. It sounds more like you're talking. It sounds more like a story than when you write, you try to write a little more formally. Why do we not delete this and right here? But we deleted this one and this one. Why do we keep that one? Kieran, you know?
Because they're at the beginning of the sentence and you can't.
Why can't I do this?
Because it wouldn't make any sense if you said go home.
Right. That doesn't make any sense. That's not a sentence.
Like someone
You could
saying
tell
go
someone
home.
to go home, but that's, I thought I should get off. Go home. That doesn't make any sense, right? Good job. Let's do another one like that. Yesterday we went to the beach. It was really sunny and we built sandcastles, which my brother destroyed after working all day. Then I still have sand under my fingernails.
That is classic 4th grade.
Yes.
That
This,
happens in so many of your stories. That's very well written.
this one has quite a few. There's a couple different ways you can rewrite it too. Let's see what we come up with.
I don't mean this is well written. I meant this is perfect for 4th grade.
If you're having trouble, try to say it in your head and think about where you would naturally pause when you're saying it. Because that's probably where you need some sort of punctuation also. Got one more minute. my brother destroyed it. Does that make sense to you? Do you have another correction? What could we do? We just added, Katie just added a period. What can we do to the word after that? You see it? Yesterday we went to the beach and it was really sunny, period. What can we do to the word we? See it right here? What does that mean? Do you know? If we have a period, what kind of word should this be? What letter should this be? Should we capitalize? You gonna do that for us? Here each. Good. What's something else we could do? We have yesterday we went to the beach and it was really sunny. We built sandcastles, which my brother destroyed after working all day. I still have sand under my fingernails. Good job, Kai. You can sit down. Fine. Do you have another one? You can think about it and come back up in a little bit if you see something else. What's something else we could do? Amelia? We kind of have two options here, don't we? Good. Do you guys see something else? Oscar? You see something? Another period then. Yeah. Good. Is there something else, Amy? What's that?
That's okay.
You go ahead and keep working. Okay, you could do that. What else could you have done instead of adding a period? If I didn't want to add a period. Paul, what could I have done right here instead of this period? You know? Say it in your head. We built sandcastles, which my brother destroyed after working all day. If we keep the word which in there, what punctuation do we need right there?
Yeah, but maybe that if we just take out the which.
Keep it in there.
Oh,
We built sandcastles, which my brother destroyed after working all day. What punctuation will we put right here instead of the period?
comma.
A comma. Yeah. If we wanted to take out which, then you could put Kai's word in there and you put the period and all that stuff. Either way is fine. Okay? Let's do one more. Free time for one more? Okay. We'll do one more. Well, Halloween is the best holiday ever, and I know everyone likes candy, so I dressed as a scary vampire this year, and I got a lot of candy. Then my friends all stayed up late and traded candy with me. you. We don't need the word well, do we? When you talk, you could say it, and that might make sense, but you don't need to write it down. Max, you see something? Good. You can take out the word so. We don't need that. Morgan, what else? Good. What else could we have used besides the period? Anybody know? Kara?
An
Exclamation point. Halloween is the best holiday ever. We're super excited. You put an exclamation point. But a period's good too. Either one. What else can we add? Or change or take out? Casey? Good. I dressed up as a scary vampire this year and I got a lot of candy. But then you can have one. Haley, see something else? Okay. I dressed as a scary vampire this year and I got a period. Thank you. There we go. That makes more sense. And a period. What do we have to do to the word my if we added in a period? Paul, can you go show us? Good. Okay, so we have Halloween is the best holiday ever. I know everyone likes candy. I dressed as a scary vampire this year and I got a lot of candy. My friends all stayed up late and traded candy with me. Is there something else you see, Oscar? Okay, you could do that. You don't have to though. You can keep with me in there if you want, but it makes sense either way. So you see something else, Paul?
Yeah.
Okay, you could do that. You don't have to, but you can. That works. See something else, Amelia?
This is just what I did, but I didn't have the comma, and I did that to the end.
Yeah, you could do that too. There's kind of a lot of things you could do. As long as you know that, like if there's a comma, you probably need an and. Unless it's right here, my friends all stayed up late and traded candy with me. We knew that we didn't need a comma there. Or if you delete the word and, then you add a new sentence. You can kind of do whichever one you want. You see something? What?
Or instead of they, you can put
Yeah, we can do we traded candy instead of they traded candy. Good. All right. What we're going to do is everyone's going to get a little picture from a magazine. I want you to write like 2, 3, 4 sentences about it. It can be anything you want. If you get a picture of Taylor Swift, you can write about how you went to a Taylor Swift concert. You can write about how you're a famous singer, or you can write about anything you want on the time. Okay, we'll do it tomorrow then. Does that make sense? Do you guys kind of get the activity though? We'll talk about it.
so creative writing.
Yeah, you can kind of do whatever you want.